Today, day 24 of the Lori Vallow murder trial in Idaho. The prosecution unveiled more text messages today to the jury through the iCloud account of the so-called doomsday mom.
Lori Vallow accused of murdering her 2 children after moving them from Arizona to Idaho. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum has been following this from the beginning. He joins us live with the latest from the court drama today.
John, Christina, Douglas Hart returned to the stand this morning, and the retired FBI special agent's testimony is lengthy. Since Friday, he's been going over a 160-page summary of his investigation into Lori Vallow, specifically iCloud data regarding Vallow's 2 kids, JJ and Tylee, who were missing from September 2019 until June of 2020. The jury heard dozens of texts between Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell, her husband and alleged co-conspirator in the triple murder case. Vallow and Daybell's texts mainly discussed life insurance money in connection to the deaths of their spouses and planning their new life. Hart testified to the court that records showed Vallow and Daybell attended the Church of Jesus Christ Latter-day Saints Temple in Gilbert as early as November 2018, and this was several months before Vallow's 4th husband Charles was shot and killed, and nearly a year before Daybell's wife Tammy died. The term death percentage was a topic in the text messages, as Vallow would ask Daybell about the percentages for her kids, Tylee and JJ, and Tammy as well. The witness said the closer the number was to 0 meant the person mentioned was closer to death. In one text, Lori asked Chad, quote, "Do you think there's a perfectly orchestrated plan to take the children and we just have to wait for it to be carried out? What should I be doing?" Here's some of that exchange in July of 2019.
Could you read for us line 1777?
From Lori Vallow to Chad Daybell, 2 and 3%, not 0.
And you just heard some of those percentages. Lori asking not 2 or 3% via text messages. After September 8th, 2019, Hart says there was no evidence of Tylee Ryan on Vallow's iCloud, and after September 23rd that year, also no evidence of JJ Vallow on the account. As the prosecution wraps up, I will be in Boise with live reports on the trial. Questions remain. Who will Vallow's defense call to the stand, and will she testify? Stay with us on air and online. Head to fox10phoenix.com/Vallow. Live in the studio, Justin Lum, Fox 10 News.